The Galileo spacecraft was an interplanetary space probe mission conducted by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to study the planet Jupiter and its moons. It was launched on October 18, 1989, from Space Shuttle Atlantis during the STS-34 mission. The spacecraft was named after the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei, who made significant discoveries about Jupiter and its moons in the 17th century. The primary objectives of the Galileo mission were to study Jupiter's atmosphere. Galileo conducted extensive observations of Jupiter's cloud patterns, atmospheric composition, and weather systems, providing valuable data for scientists to understand the planet's dynamics and climate. Explore Jupiter's magnetosphere. The spacecraft investigated the intense magnetic field surrounding Jupiter, studying its structure, variations, and interactions with the solar wind. Investigate Jupiter's moons. Galileo made multiple flybys of Jupiter's four largest moons, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. The mission aimed to study their surfaces, geological features, and potential subsurface oceans, particularly Europa, which is considered one of the best candidates for harboring extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Understand the ring system. Galileo studied the faint ring system of Jupiter, providing insights into its origin and characteristics. The spacecraft was equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, magnetometers, and other sensors, to collect data and images during its journey and close encounters with Jupiter and its moons. Galileo followed a complex trajectory that included gravitational assists from Venus and Earth to gain enough speed to reach Jupiter. It performed several flybys of these planets, utilizing their gravity to adjust its trajectory and conserve fuel. The mission faced some challenges along the way. For example, the spacecraft's main antenna did not fully deploy upon its arrival at Jupiter due to a mechanical issue, which limited the data transmission rate. Despite this, Galileo managed to send back a wealth of scientific data, including stunning images of Jupiter's cloud bands, its volcanic moon Io, the cracked ice surface of Europa, and the heavily cratered moon Callisto. The Galileo mission officially ended on September 21, 2003, when the spacecraft was intentionally directed into Jupiter's atmosphere to avoid any potential contamination of Europa or other potentially habitable moons. This decision was made to prevent any unintended impact on these celestial bodies, as Galileo's fuel was nearly depleted, and the spacecraft was no longer controllable. The data collected by Galileo has been invaluable in advancing our understanding of Jupiter, its moons, and the outer solar system, providing crucial insights into planetary science, magnetospheric physics, and the potential for life beyond Earth.